Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we will see one of the part-time job employment scamming around the world, especially in India. Okay, see here. My contact is in a group and it is added by some unknown stranger to some group. Okay, and I am unaware of it, and today I came to know that yes, I was in a group, and in a group they are messaging that yes, part-time job is available. Anybody interested like that? They are sending some messages. Okay, so just I asked. Hi, how to join? They are giving one person that is they are giving that direct message, private message to this number, like that they are updating in the group. Okay, then I asked that how to join, and he or she replied, okay, hello sir, okay, I will provide the task directly. He has given this task. Okay, what it means that just you go to give a review on the Google map. Just they have given this place or this restaurant. I think this is a restaurant, and I have to give a review. That is mark 5 stars and click on post, take a screenshot and send it back to him, like that he instructed. Okay, so I done this review, and yes, he replied that well done, you have completed the task successfully completed, like that he has told me, and let's move to the processing your first payment. See, kindly fill the form below to proceed. So I have filled up this form. Okay, telling that my profession, maintenance supervisor, telegram number, UPI ID, etc. Okay, great job sir, he replied, and okay, this is your last procedure. Now I am introducing you to our telegram receptionist. Now he is trying to forward me to his receptionist. Okay, and add me at the telegram and send your form here. He has given that receptionist username in the telegram, and employment code he has given, okay, for completing that one Google review. Wow, see what a fantastic job. Yes, see next, send this payment code and details to the receptionist, and after sending the details, kindly share with me a screenshot, message here on telegram with your details and receive your money. So how much money, like that he has already told in the group that 200 will be given for the first task. Okay, so he asked that did you send details, but I replied that I have tried, because it is stranger, and telegram is restricted me to send private messages to the unknown numbers. Okay, and yes, I told him like that, and the same error occurred. Wait a moment, I asked her to add you. So mutual contact only I can send as of now. So he just asked me to try it now, and yes, and then I have tried her receptionist. Where is she? This is her receptionist. Okay, actually when I tried to contact first, telegram restricted me, and I have added this contact, and she also added mine, so that now we are mutual contact. Then yes, hello, please provide your employment code and details, she asked voluntarily. Okay, and I have given that code, and she given the details, and finally yes, they have sent 200 payment. To my surprise, it has arrived to my account. So then next he has given the rules. See the rules. Be online on Telegram before 9 a.m. tomorrow. So, she instructed me to contact tomorrow and give 5-star ratings like this. So, first one is demo, and he has given paid 200 rupees. What a surprise. And see here the work rule here. There will be 23 tasks including 3 system matching tasks. What is that system matching task? That is the twist here to scam people. Okay. All tasks must be completed in sequence. Skipping any will disqualify you from the payment. See, he just he or she maybe she just told like that skipping is not allowed. Okay, you will receive your salary after completing every 4 tasks. So I have to complete every 4 tasks, and I will receive the salary like that. He has given salary sheet. First 4 tasks 100 rupees, then next 4 tasks 5 6 7 8 1480, then up to 6th sequence of the task I can get finally 5000 bonus as well. Wow, what a way to trick people. Okay, they are first making believe trust by paying small amount 200, then they have given like this, and don't skip anything. Okay, when I try to contact via call, always all scammer have done like this. Okay, you cannot contact scammer over phone. Okay, because they have done like this. Okay, because they will vanish at any time. See what is the trick. First they are voluntarily paying for just a single review, then that's great. Like that they have given, and next day I have done first 4 sequence, and I have got 100 rupees as well. Okay, yes, then 5th 6th 7th the same Google review, so it is easy to do. But at the 8th, what is this? See, 1000 I go to pay 1000. See, this is the system matching task. Like that is she has instructed, and I have to invest like that. He or she asked. In return, it will come. Okay, like that. So if you invest 80,000 means you can get extra 24,000 in a minute, within 5 or 20 minutes, like that he has given. But here is the scam starts. Okay, because he or she just paid me for the review 300 rupees, and after that if I pay 1000, what is the guarantee to return back? That does not exist, because I am working under a company like that. Suppose if you are working in a company, or if any job provider online they are giving job, then will they ask any payment from you? Because you are worker, you are getting a salary from them, why you should pay to them? That's the question here. Okay, because they are making trust first, and with that trust 300 you have received, you will immediately think that yes, it is true, legit, and you will fall in this trap, and you will finally deposit some amount. Even if you deposit minimum amount 1000 rupees, you will lose 700, because they have paid already 300 to you, and 700 that will not return. Okay, so in this way they are scamming people around the world, especially in India. So don't fall into this trap of part-time job offer or employment. Suppose if you are going to do test, just you do review and get that review money only. Okay, then don't go to the other things like depositing, investing, like that. If they ask money, they are just a scammer. Okay, remember it. Suppose if maybe for first 1000 they will return, second 1000 they will return, then third, fourth you will go on higher amount by desiring the money. Okay, so that should not be that mistake you should not to do. Okay, they are all scammer, surely scammer. I have scolded them and I refused them. Okay, then finally they did not respond. Okay, so in this way they are making other people's fool, and they are getting lot of people's inside. And suppose if you are trying 50 people, at least 40 people they will cheat, and 10 people may be escaped like that, like me. So just you got to think, at that. Okay, suppose if you are worker, you should not pay to the boss. Okay, that's it. Okay, keep in mind that in online you should not pay any single 1 rupee to any other stranger, even if they pay for work previously. Okay, so be careful. That's all, friends. Bye.